Okay, we're headed back.
Oh, he's got his.
We're leaving our hostel.
What's that?
And it was an interesting stay. We never have stayed in a hostel before. Met a lot of really interesting people. It's a lot of fun. We're headed back to the train station and we're gonna go to Florence. And it's gonna be extra lit, extra woke.
Stay woke or anything. Will you hold this?
Deborah, how are you feeling on this train ride so far? Deborah.
Okay.
Brenna's on the phone with our bank again because our card's not working.
We ate. That sounds like something we did. Yeah.
We probably ate there.
Hey, you want to make your way to the Mercato Centrale. It's near the San Lorenzo Church. Down below is where you're going to get cheese, vegetables, salami, cheese, cheese, cheese.
Welcome to Update with the Brenster. We have here two Germans who are now travelers. Last night we all stayed in a room which was very fun. It was called the Pisa hostel. It was very posh. This morning we were planning on making the 6:30 train.
And that's an update with Brenster. Hey guys.
I have chocolate in my face. No, you stay. A bean.
Quick update from Kayla. Well, we're heading to Rio Maggiore. And we drank some good juice. We stayed at a really cool hostel. But anyway, we're about to go do a cool hike. Open the door. Oh, should we open the door? Come on, okay.
Nehemiah, you have your new train ticket, right?
That just shut me in the door.
Footpath's closed. Going to a different town with footpaths open.
We've just begun our journey. Got 600, 400 stairs coming up fresh.
Really sexy legs.
Yeah. Get your bikini body going.
Brothers off on a worldwide adventure. Stay tuned to see if there's death.